Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you! Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this small envelope packaging. Let's open. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Oh my lord, this is Blu-ray. Oh my gosh, it's Elvis!
Elvis the pelvis.
Oh wow, I love Elvis. It's Blue Hawaii. I haven't seen this yet.
Haven't you?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I've seen this.
It's got one very nice song in there. It's
Oh,
got several nice songs, but one particularly nice song.
yeah. So there's a special features in here. It's commentary by historian James L. Nebo. Blue Hawaii photo scrapbook and original theatrical
Trailer. That's the only extra I would want to see in there. I don't
Yeah.
listen to commentaries.
Oh, see, oh, that's a nice Lee, the garland. That's very nice. Wow, I love Elvis. My favorite. So this is Blu-ray. So let's open it. Ta-da! So it's the same.
Yeah,
And at the back?
same.
Yes, same. Yeah, and the photograph here are bigger than in here. Wow, this is amazing, Elvis. So, is this musical?
Yeah,
Wow.
filmed in Hawaii.
So that is why Blue Hawaii. Oh, shit. This is very interesting. And there's a coconut trees in there. Amazing. So this is PG. Dolby. And it's Paramount. So all his films are all Paramount.
Not all of them. I
No.
think most of them are.
So this is very nice. I want to see this. I can't wait to see this. I love Elvis. See, and in here is very nice as well. I like Blu-ray because it's nice and compact. It's cute.
Better quality than DVD.
Yeah, and also
In
it's
high definition.
and it's also, if you can see original, because it's like, it's, what do you call that, foil. It's you can see illuminate. So it's always the best to buy the original.
We always get original.
Yeah, we always get the original. Yes. Alright, okay, so this is the unboxing for today. This Elvis Blue Hawaii. Elvis Blue Hawaii. Love, love, love. I love Elvis. So whatever film he's in, I love it. Yeah, okay guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Ta-da! Love, love, love.